Welcome to Arensic International. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just important, it's essential in our data-driven world. You know how vital data is for informed decision-making, but let's face it, it can feel a bit complex at times. Our goal today is to simplify it and make it accessible. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe even a cup of coffee, and let's unravel the intricacies of data analysis together. Research data falls into two main types, quantitative and qualitative. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for any research project, as it helps you grasp your data and, ultimately, your customers. I mean, who wouldn't want to understand their audience better, right? So, what's the difference, you might wonder? Let's break it down. Quantitative data is all about numbers and measurable information. It answers questions like what and how often. Think of it as your measuring stick, your compass in the vast ocean of data. It's used in surveys and experiments, providing a clear snapshot of reality. For example, consider how many people attended last week's webinar. That's straightforward, right? You simply count the attendees, easy peasy. On the flip side, we have qualitative data. This is where things get really interesting. Qualitative data dives deep into the why and how. It focuses on personal experiences, exploring the motivations and emotions behind actions. Picture this, you're trying to understand why customers prefer one product over another. You can't just rely on numbers. This is where in-depth interviews and observations come into play. You listen to stories, gather insights, and uncover the underlying feelings that shape consumer behavior. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing the core of what drives decisions. Now, let's talk about the immense value both types of data provide. Quantitative data is quick to analyze and replicable, which means you can apply the same methods to gather consistent results. However, one potential downside is that it might miss broader themes or the emotional nuances that qualitative research can capture. On the other hand, qualitative data offers rich insights and a deeper understanding of human behavior, but it might not be statistically representative. Imagine trying to draw conclusions about a whole population based on just a few interviews. It's a balancing act, and that's where the magic happens. A mix of both can yield powerful insights. But hold on, there's another layer we need to consider, bias. Yes, biases can creep into both data types if we're not careful. In quantitative research, for instance, selection bias can skew results if the sample isn't representative. This could mean your data tells a story that doesn't match reality. On the other hand, qualitative research may face researcher bias, where the researcher's perspectives influence the findings. Addressing these issues is key for reliable results. After all, we want our conclusions to be based on solid ground, don't we? At Full Story, we really understand the importance of a well-rounded analysis. Our behavioral data platform gives you a complete view of user experiences, helping you effectively combine quantitative and qualitative insights. It's like having a superpower in the world of data. Imagine eliminating blind spots in your data collection and truly understanding your customers' journeys. Ready to take the plunge? Start your free 14-day trial today. To wrap things up, remember that both quantitative and qualitative data play critical roles in understanding the world around us. So, whether you're counting numbers or listening to stories, embrace the richness of data. Ask yourself, how might you blend these two approaches in your next project? Reflect on that, and until next time, happy analyzing.